Going digital in operations management can be complex, especially achieving unity across various operations teams. AVEVA Operations Control is designed with this complexity in mind, giving you the comprehensive software you need to enable collaboration and agility at every level. To gain operational confidence with visibility and alignment throughout your organization, where the right tools deliver sustainability through standardization and information integrity. To move beyond limited and siloed systems and enjoy unlimited access to software solutions that scale with growth. And build a reliable foundation that leverages internal knowledge to crowdsource insights and resolutions to problems before they affect the organization. Connecting operations and workers via the cloud, web, and mobile to drive operational efficiency. This redefines the industrial software experience, driving collaboration and smarter decisions with data flows and common system management from edge to enterprise. With AVEVA, compatibility is embedded into everything we do. Our solutions work together seamlessly, from the plant floor and field teams to control room and enterprise-level personnel. Tailor the software environment to your desired outcomes with a proven, reliable, and innovative partner. As an AVEVA Flex subscription, AVEVA Operations Control lets you easily adjust usage or add additional packages to extend your digital capabilities. This offers simplicity and provides a high level of flexibility to meet your needs with solutions you can trust as your organization embraces going digital. Contact us today and begin your transformation.